I was scrolling through the internet the other day and stumbled across these reels that caught my attention. Naturally, my curiosity kicked in, and I decided to dig a little deeper. After that, I did some research. What I found absolutely blew my mind. There are people out there making serious cash just by posting these super simple AI-generated videos. It's crazy how something so straightforward can turn into a gold mine. Trust me, you're going to be just as amazed as I was. This channel is only 7 months old, but they've already skyrocketed to 332,000 subscribers and are pulling in around $7,000 a month in income. That's not even the craziest part. Most of their videos have blown past 1 million views, and the numbers are climbing by the minute. It's like they've cracked the code for going viral, and their growth just keeps exploding with every upload. Let's watch another channel. Check out this channel. It's crazy. They've only uploaded 13 videos, but every single one has racked up over 1 million views. With just those 13 videos, they've already gained around 152,000 subscribers. Can you believe that? Imagine the kind of monthly income they're pulling in with that kind of engagement. It's probably insane. Have you ever come across AI-animal hybrid videos on YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels? If so, let me know in the comments. But here's the thing. Creating this kind of content isn't as hard as you might think. In fact, it's surprisingly simple once you know the steps. So, in this video, I'm going to break it down for you, showing you how to easily make eye-catching, viral-worthy videos just like these. Let's dive in and get started. Step 1. Generate images. To generate a perfect image, we need a perfect prompt. Because with a perfect prompt, it is possible to create amazing images. So go to ChatGPT and sign up for free. I hope you have signed up. Now come to the chat box and write, "Give me a prompt for hybrid image of wolf and dragon." You can generate many more hybrid images using this same prompt. Just change the names of the animals. Now press enter. Wow, ChatGPT totally nailed the prompt and even whipped up a sample image. That's pretty awesome, right? We could use this image, sure, but honestly, the real magic happens when you take the prompt and push it further. Imagine an even cooler hybrid image. If you're looking to create AI-generated images, there are tons of awesome tools out there, like Leonardo AI, Midjourney, or Ideogram. Personally, I'd go with Leonardo AI because it's super user-friendly and easy to get the hang of. Honestly, you might love it too. Give it a shot. Go to Google and type Leonardo AI. Open it. I have already opened it. After that, click on Google account and sign up with Google account. After signing up, you will see such an interface. Now again, go to ChatGPT and copy this prompt. After that, come back to Leonardo AI, then click on Image Creation. Now paste it here. Then click the Generate option. Wow, it has generated some amazing images. Now we need to generate an image where both the animals are facing each other. It means the wolf and dragon are facing each other in the same image. Again, go to ChatGPT and in the chat box, write, "Give me an image generation prompt in which wolf and dragon face each other." ChatGPT gave an awesome prompt. Now copy this prompt. Then, come back to Leonardo AI and paste the prompt. Now click on the Generate option. Wow, Leonardo AI generated an awesome image. Similarly, I will generate images from all prompts. All images are generated. Now download all the images one by one. Step 2. Image to video. If you're looking to turn your images into stunning animations, there are plenty of AI tools you can use, like Runway ML, Animoto, or Pixamotion. But for this, I'll stick with my favorite, Pixverse AI. Here's how it works. Head over to Google and search for Pixverse AI. Open their website, and if you're not signed up already, just use your Google account to create an account. It's quick and easy. Once you're in, upload a picture of your choice. Now comes the fun part. Type in the creative prompt you want for your animation. Then hit the Generate button and let Pixverse work its magic. In just a few moments, you'll have an incredible video ready to go. The results are absolutely mind-blowing. Trust me, The video it generates will leave you amazed. Use the same process to create as many videos as you like and watch your pictures come to life. After it's done, simply download your masterpiece. Step 3. Energetic music. Music is a game changer when it comes to making videos more engaging and visually captivating. Just take a look at those reels again. The way they've incorporated incredible background music makes everything feel so much more alive and vibrant. But here's the thing. You've got to use copyright-free music to avoid any legal headaches. No worries though. Just hop on Google, search for Pixabay, and head over to their music section. There is a lot of copyright-free music. You can search for music if you want. Download music as you like from here. Last step, video editing. Video editing plays a crucial role in creating engaging content, and for that, I rely on CapCut. It's an incredibly user-friendly tool that's perfect for beginners and pros alike. The best part? It's completely free. Let's dive in and open CapCut to get started. First, I start by importing all the video elements into the editing software. This is the foundation, where the story begins to take shape. Finally, it's time for some magic. I enhance the visuals with effects that make the video more dynamic and visually appealing, creating a smooth and enjoyable experience for the viewer. Then, click the export button. After that, give a name to the video. Select a folder where you want to save the video. I will click on the export option again. The video is being exported. Alright, now let's check our video. Those reels again. Wow, it looks amazing. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to stay updated with more amazing content. See you in the next one.